In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repeat row labels in Tableau in just 5 minutes. This is a handy trick that can streamline your data presentation and add clarity to your visualizations. Let's dive right in. First off, launch the Tableau app on your computer. You should be familiar with this if you've worked with Tableau before, but if you're new, look for the Tableau icon in your Applications folder or search for it using your computer's search function. Once you've successfully opened the app, it's time to access your worksheet. Navigate to your existing Tableau project or start a new one, then open the worksheet where you want to repeat the row labels. Now that your worksheet is open, the next step is to organize your data. Start by dragging the Measure Names field onto the column shelf. This will help structure your data by organizing your measures horizontally, making it easier to handle later steps. Next, find the Order Date field in your data set. Click and drag it to the Rows shelf. This action sets up how your timeline data is displayed. You should see a breakdown of your data according to the order dates. Immediately after this, you can expand this timeline by clicking the small plus icon next to Order Date to further break it down into quarter and month. This action provides a more detailed view of your data over specific time intervals. Moving on, drag the Measure Values field to the Text option under the Marks field. This will display your selected measures as text on the visualization pane, allowing you to see the actual values displayed within your visual framework. For the next adjustment, you'll need to narrow down your data view. Drag Measure Names to the Filters shelf. A dialog box will pop up, allowing you to select which measures you'd like to focus on. Choose Sales, Profit, and Quantity by clicking their respective checkboxes. Now, let's create a calculated field to help repeat the labels. On the drop-down menu from an empty space in your data pane, click Create Calculated Field. For simplicity, name it Index. In the calculation field, type the function index and then hit OK. This will establish a numerical index that can be used to manipulate your data display. Once your field is created, drag this index to the rows shelf. Click on the drop-down menu next to the index on your rows shelf and select Discrete to make the field a categorical value. Then, rearrange the fields by dragging Index in front of Order Date on the rows shelf. This reordering is crucial for aligning the repeated labels properly. Finally, to clean up your view, click the drop-down menu again and deselect the option to show the header for the index field. This will remove unnecessary text, keeping your view focused and neat. And there you have it. You've successfully repeated your row labels in Tableau, creating a more dynamic and reader-friendly data visualization. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Tableau tips.